If you're choosing between the Pro 800 and the Poly D, this isn't just synth versus synth, it's polyphonic versatility versus classic analog character. So which synthesizer is actually better? Let's break it down. The Pro 800 is based on the legendary Prophet 600 architecture and gives you 8 true analog voices, patch memory, MIDI control, and a surprisingly versatile sound engine for the price. Reviewers consistently praise its value, analog character, and ability to create pads, chords, and evolving textures that simply aren't possible on the Poly D. But here's the catch. Its desktop format and menu-driven functions aren't as immediate or hands-on as the Poly D. Some users also find the interface less inspiring for live tweaking. The Poly D takes the opposite approach. It's heavily inspired by the Minimoog and focuses on thick basses, powerful leads, and hands-on analog performance. The 4 oscillators, built-in distortion, and chorus give it a huge sound that many synth enthusiasts love. The downside is that it's not truly polyphonic. Despite the name, it's only 4-note paraphonic, meaning notes share filters and envelopes. For chords and complex polyphonic playing, it can't compete with the Pro 800. So which synthesizer is better? Choose the Behringer Pro 800 if you want pads, chords, patch memory, and maximum versatility for studio production. Choose the Behringer Poly D if you want classic Minimoog-style basses, leads, and a hands-on analog performance experience. Bottom line, the Pro 800 is the better synthesizer for most musicians because it offers true polyphony, presets, and significantly more flexibility at a lower price. The Poly D is still fantastic, but it's more of a specialist instrument for people chasing that classic Minimoog sound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.